Warning, everything said in this video is a joke, and we do not want any of y'all to take us serious at all. Also, me and my friends' acting skills are terrible, so if you want to blame me and my friends on how terrible our voice acting and acting skills are, you are more than welcome to. With all that said, let's get to the video.
Guys, welcome to my apartment.
The apartment is still a mess.
Sanitize your hands. Sanitize your hands. I live here. Why do I need to sanitize my hands? You just came in, bro.
They sure don't have COVID.
Yeah, there's still COVID.
Man,
I hate COVID, bro. Me too. Denji can't die. Denji can't die.
Denji.
Yeah?
Can you turn around and like put your head back for a second? Turn around. No, like,
Head down?
No, like, put it down. Put it on. Where's your scalp?
Yo, like you're coming. Get a bath, bro. Why you get out? Oh, get out! Get a bath.
We're gonna let him take a bath. Come on,
PPO file.
Aki.
Oh, whoa. Yes.
Yeah.
We gotta go.
Why are you in the bath with me?
Gotta
You're
go.
using up all the hot water. I gotta pay bills here, you know. What are you watching?
I'm watching this TV show. I was wondering why. I was wondering why Denji was so invested into the show. I can see why. I said wrong about the show.
Howard,
Like,
look,
It's a good show, right? It's a good show.
I don't see anything about this show. I don't see anything interesting about this show.
Aki, you're always hating!
What is this? What is this, Denji? What is this? It's the same thing. It's orange again. She just died. What are you doing? She just blackfaced. And that's the end of the episode. The episode just ends there.
You know?
You only like the show because she died. Exactly. It's interesting now.
See, listen, you don't understand. You don't understand the plot. All right? There's
Yeah,
a
you
little
don't.
friend.
See, look, in this episode, they're cooking.
Hey, listen.
Which is
let
the
me
exact same
explain.
house we're in.
Let me explain.
The exact same house. Oh, that's our backyard. That's just
Maybe
that's
those
just
are
a
people who
coincidence. That's
previously
just-
lived here.
it's just
It
a
was like a TV show.
Yeah,
thing.
it's just a coincidence. It's a coincidence. Yeah. Don't worry about it.
It's not real, Aki.
Aki.
You know what isn't real? This entire thing, it's not real.
Baba.
What?
Denji, wake up. Wake up, Denji.
What? Wake up.
Chainsaw Man! Yo, Chainsaw Man, come down here! I need to tell you on this great new deal. So, how would you like yourself a pair of brand new...
Hey, you stupid bum! Give me your damn money.
Jeez!
What? Don't do it. What? Whoa. You say yes and I pull this. I think I have a headache today. I'm just...
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm good. Anyways, Power.
Anyways, good job,
I was.
Are you okay, Denji?
I took Aki's phone. I took Aki's phone, and today, guess what? We hit 100 subscribers on the MG Club channel.
For real? Wait, hold on.
Yes,
hold on.
we did it. We did it. You did it.
World domination will soon be mine.
We hit it. What?
I have hand tracking.
Yo,
Yo, Denji.
You didn't have to rejoin for it. You
Okay, okay. That was.
You didn't have to call my Baba Boo, bro.
That
was definitely not needed. That was not needed. You didn't have to call my Baba Boo.
Now that she's 14, if I make a joke about sucking her,
Baba Boo.
you can't say I'm a pedophile now.
Who does? Me, bro. Who you? Bro, you bugging, bro. Not, bro, you got a backpack. Be quiet.
Yo, power! Yo, power! Power! Down here! Come down here!
Bro, she doesn't bathe. Watch out. She don't bathe.
She's stinky, bro.
Expressions thing. How do you do the expressions?
Hold on,
seen that
remember what we were
stance.
talking
I've seen
about?
that stance,
Remember what
bro.
we were talking
Yo,
about?
who's using a hand tracker right
Yeah,
now?
but like,
Happy birthday!
listen,
No,
give
How do
me
you
a
do
second.
birthday?
Hold on.
Happy birthday! Oh my god, happy birthday!
What the f?
Baba Boo.
Power.
What's good? Baba Boo.
Oh my god, it came out of nowhere. Oh my god, it came out of nowhere.
Bend through it, bro.
That's been the trash can.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Look at his face. He's scheming. Bro, look at him.
Can I squeeze
He's the spin devil.
Guys,
It's the adventure time devil.
can I please have
What
stomach
devil
characters
is
for my
this?
birthday?
Yes.
What devil are you?
Oh my god.
Happy birthday!
Hi.
To be the ultimate killer.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tails.
From your
Happy
best
birthday.
pal,
Mickey Mouse.
Hi.
Happy birthday! I'm getting a nice little view down here.
I'm not gonna ask for. I do know. Do you know if
Tails, she's 14. Relax.
Oh, for real? I'm 9.
Where's Knuckles?
Son.
Please tell me.
He's right there. He's trans.
Knuckles, you're trans.
Yes, yes, I've officially.
Chopper! Yo, Chopper! Chopper, I didn't know you were on this. Chopper! Wait,
You monkeys.
No,
Get
you're
follow me, you
Ew,
monkeys.
he's black, he's black.
Oh my god.
Get around the table.
you want your birthday kisses?
Nico, get
That's
out of
my
my
cake.
Sonic, oh my god. Sonic got the
Why is your
fatty.
fat eating the cake? Why is your fat eating the cake before we sing happy birthday? You want diabetes? You want diabetes? Keep eating, fatty. Keep eating. Keep shoving it down your throat, you little femboy.
Shut up. We're gonna sing happy birthday. Alright guys. Are you ready? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my child. Happy birthday to you.
Oh no, my pops.
So now you
And if you were in a choir,
Are you one? Are you 70? So are you 100? Are you 12?
Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4?
I get to see the
Friday Night Funkin' or Black History Month?
You're just mad. Much actually has a good appetite, bro.
It's a monkey. It's a monkey.
It's because I'm black.
You're bugging, you're bugging.
I mean, wait.
I mean, if you insist. If you insist.
Wait, no, please, I'm about to bomb the cheese. I'm about to bomb the Chuck Cheese. Get back past. Chill. Take another step and I blow up. Take another step and I blow up. This whole establishment is going down.
Okay, chill. Put the sword down, alright?
Let's talk about Mexican. I'll deport you. Get the sword down.
God.
So fine, but no. No, Dan. No.
Spider-Man just sexually assaulted your girl.
Nezuko?
No. It you know.
Oh.
Hey.
I want to play with. We need a plan to kill all the ops, starting with Kai. We need to kill Kai.
Hey, listen.
You can't
we need
trust
to lure
him.
them in. We need to lure them in. So like, come with me.
Yeah, alright.
You see that backstage right there? We gonna pretend that you work here, right? And we gonna lead him.
Yeah.
We gonna,
Perfect.
We gonna lead him somewhere. We're gonna lead him probably in that room, and we gonna shoot him.
Yeah.
He's done.
Alright,
He's dead for. Alright, listen, I got you. Hey, yo, Denji. Talk about me.
Chuck E. Cheese.
The man with the J's. Would you like to follow us backstage? We got a special surprise for you.
Go in the kitchen. Make me some food.
Special surprise? Oh, sure. Yeah, I like surprise.
Alright,
You wanna
come on, let's go.
Yeah. Now let me take off. This mask.
Put your hands
Hey, yo,
in the
bro,
air,
what's good,
boy.
bro? What's good, bro?
Whoa.
What's good, bro? Yeah, we caught
what's
you
going
like it
on?
now, bro. We caught you like it now, bro.
Whacking, what?
Listen, we told
What's
you.
going on?
Did you mess with
Mickey,
Ricky?
do something. Mickey, do something. We're roommates. You live with me.
Oh, no.
No, I need to run.
Listen, nah, bro.
Mickey, bring me Ricky.
Hey, yo, bro. Listen. I'm doing this for my. Hey, don't move. I swear, if you move, I will kill you.
Yo, what's up? We finna kill all the ops.
For real, we finna kill these all. You pull that. I swear, I will pull the trigger.
Fellow comrade, pull out your guns.
We would kill all the ops who come in our way of world domination.
I don't even know what ops means.
Shut your up, comrade. We are from Russia. We are Russian spies.
Yo, that's another op. That's another op.
Comrade Nikki, kill him.
Kill him.
Kill him.
You got distracted.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's right.
Denji, why are you?
What are you doing at Chuck E. Cheese?
Why are
Power, what are you doing at Femboy Hooters?
Cats are gonna get
Where's
scared.
Femboy
normal
Hooters?
day that is
We're
not
at Femboy
filled with
Hooters.
Russians, mob affiliation, and
This is
murder.
Femboy Hooters.
We're definitely not doing that.
Chainsaw Man,
Power, we're definitely not. We're
Sorry,
definitely not committing murders.
Sorry, I got
with
jumped by.
mafia-type affiliations to wipe out all the Americans. I promise, we're not.
I got jumped by 3 Russians.
Shut your mouth. Comrade, shut your
Shut your mouth. But don't you remember our deal?
I don't know what you meant by your mouse couture or your
suck on my cup.
There you go.
I told you, Power. This is Femboy Hooters.
Go.
I told you.
What?
This is not Hooters. That's just a
Let me
sexy
cop a
clown
feel.
from
Let me cop a
Ace
feel.
Attorney.
Let me cop a feel.
This is just wrong. Okay.
Power, I told you we were Femboy
Denji.
Hooters.
Don't get one touch for you.
This is not Femboy Hooters.
Denji, she pulled out the
Yo, can I
knife.
get a touch? Let me get a touch.
Oh, I don't got any money. I'm broke.
What? She's not black.
I got jumped by these Russian guys. These 3 Russian dudes, and he was one of them.
No, you weren't. No, I wasn't.
Do you know what they look like? Do you know what they look like?
One of them kind of looked like you, except he had a bunch of chains and a gun on his back.
Yeah, and a lot of
And he was fast.
really?
The other one was a little boy with a monkey tail in a straight jacket, and he was also a guy that robbed me. He tried to rob me for money.
You are nothing. I gotta get you.
See, he literally has a Russian accent. Guys, I'm starting to think that my life is a dream.
No, don't be ridiculous.
Nah, don't
it's
be
not,
so
no,
silly.
don't
You're
be
right.
ridiculous.
Don't be so silly.
We
You're
definitely
right.
didn't hijack
You're right.
this dream via EEG caps. We definitely didn't infiltrate your dream via EEG
what-
cap. I promise.
What is an EEG? What's it?
Stuff that can access your mind and thought.
No, you're definitely not in a dream right now.
Listen,
This is not a dream. This is not
Guys,
a dream.
but
This
it
is
has
not
to
a
be.
dream.
I got
This is
robbed
not a
by.
dream.
I got.
This is not a dream. 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 This is not a dream.
Okay, back up.
Good.
Back,
Why would you think it's a
Cause I got robbed by some guy that looks like you, and then he disappeared. Why would that? Why would that be real?
Chainsaw Man, wake up. This is all a dream. You're actually just a homeless bum. Well, that's kind of ridiculous if you really think about it.
Wait, power! You heard that, right?
Heard what? What are you wake up? What are you talking
Power
about?
can talk.
Wait, Power, what?
Ricky, come with me. Come with me, Rick.
Power,
Ricky.
did you just tell me to wake up?
Come with me.
No, I'm talking about, like how Sneeko would be like, stay woke. You know what I mean?
Who the fuck is Sneeko? Power, you've been looking at too much Twitch. You gotta stay off Twitter, man. It's not good for you.
And no, I've
Aki needs to take away your
recently
screen
been on the
time.
orange and black app.
We will do this, comrade. Success.
How do you know what that is?
I'm on there. I'm on there all the time. What do you? What?
wait,
I'm always on.
Or,
I'm the viewer.
Hey
I
guys.
found Makima's OnlyFans channel. It was kind of weird. Huh?
Oh, wow. What's the link? And how much does it cost?
Hey, don't run.
Shh,
Mickey,
Power.
come,
That
come.
clown girl was kind of fine, Power.
Imagine you look like a pet.
I don't
No.
want to be pegged by a balloon, though.